This is a mini tutorial, speech recognition, preparing to train Dragon Naturally Speaking 11.5. I'm going to double click to open Dragon Naturally Speaking. And you'll notice that it will open on my menu bar. This is a newly installed version of Dragon Naturally Speaking, so I'm going to be creating a user profile. And now I'll click Next. I'll need to select my age category, and then I'll click Next. I will identify my region as United States and my accent as Standard, clicking Next between each. It's critical to confirm that the correct dictation device is selected. I'm not using a mic in, I'm using a USB, so I'll need to make that change. And then I'll click the Next button. I'm confirming my profile name, age, region, accent, and audio source. Checking the advanced connections, I'm confirming the speech model is best match and the vocabulary type large. Let's look at some of the other options. You'll notice that there are quite a few accent variations that also include a variety of different headset and other model types. For the most part, we'll hope to leave it in the default setting. If that does not produce a very accurate result, this is an adjustment that might possibly be made. And I'm going to click OK. And I'm going to create. Here I confirm the device that I'm going to use for speech recognition, my Plantronics 400 DSP headset. Dragon has detected 3 devices on my system. The other 2 are my external audio and my internal sound, which of course I don't want Dragon to pay any attention to at all. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to make sure that my microphone is positioned. I have a loud voice and I tend to pop and hiss, so rather than put it right by my mouth, I put it slightly above. But you want to make sure that you take time to adjust that correctly and do what's appropriate for you. Now I'm going to try these checks with screen recording running. I'll probably go back with the screen recording off and redo it just because the system is really not able to focus totally on speech recognition when I'm recording the screen at the same time. But so that we can see what this process looks like, I'm going to do it as I record. While you are reading this, the computer will adjust your microphone volume settings and then beep to signal that the process is complete. Speak into the microphone as if you were talking to a friend in person. It should only take about 10 seconds to There you go. I'm going to click Next. Now it's going to start the quality check. This really might turn out a little awkward because I'm recording the screen, but we'll try. For Dragon to recognize your voice accurately, it needs to check the quality of your audio system and your microphone. Speak into the microphone as clearly and naturally as you did in the previous step. While reading this, Dragon is listening to you. The check is complete. I'm going to click Next. I'm going to stop recording at this part. The next step is 4 minutes of training, and we will proceed with a demonstration after I've done the training. This has been a mini tutorial in the speech recognition series, preparing to train Dragon Naturally Speaking.